Hey guys, so since I'm back in school, the uploads might decrease to twice a week or 3 times a week, but so I have 2 new fidget spinners. So this first one is a glow in the dark one, but I can't really show you because it's not dark, but it is, and yeah, so this one is a America one that I got Thursday, and it's probably my best one. It was only $4 at Ace Hardware, so go to Ace Hardware, you can get yourself a fidget spinner. So we're gonna be doing a video today. This video, you've already read the title, so yeah. So we're going to be doing which one of my 9 fidget spinners spins the longest. I did do which one of my 7 ones spun the fastest, so if you want to check that video out, it'll be right here or right there, I don't remember, but it'll be here or there. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna spin them in the fastest one that I think is gonna get spun first, and the slowest one is gonna be spun last, so it has more time. Alright, we're gonna do this, so it's gonna go that way, and then over here that way, and then over here that way. So yeah, I'm gonna start it right now. That was a complete fail because I have to do the slowest ones. Alright, restart. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Alright, let's just pretend that. Alright, so got 2 done. That was probably going at the same speed that yeah, so don't worry about that. Alright, I know fidget spinners are out of popularity, so don't roast me in the comments. You can, because I don't really care. Alright, final standings. So this one came in last, second to last, third to last, fourth to last, which is sort of surprising because this one was really bad. Fifth to last. This one came in third, right? Yeah. Second, and what I thought. Wait. This one came in fifth, fourth, third, second, and then this one, the new one from Ace, came in first. So yeah, this one is the best. I thought that this one would win, but it didn't. So Yeah, and I don't think that this one is correct because I, messed up and, So that'll be the end of the video. It should be like 2 uploads on the weekends and probably one on Monday because Labor Day. Um, so yeah, if you like the video, then make sure to subscribe right there. Check out the fidget spinner one right there, and make sure to check out the my last video right there. So yeah, um, bye, and I'll see you in the next one, which will probably be tomorrow, or maybe even today. I don't know. But make sure to click on all these and do what they say.